the mission started wrapping up around the end of May. They left Turkey with great pomp, just as they were received at the Istanbul docks. Dr. Ansari wrote, "The mission departed with tearful eyes and sorrowful hearts, feeling that they were leaving their homes and family in Turkey, only to go to another home and family in India. The team was overwhelmed by the touching expression of fraternal regard and brotherly feelings exhibited by their Ottoman brothers. When the team arrived in Bombay, they were given a rousing reception. During the meeting held to honor these brave sons of India, Allama Shibli read out this soul-stirring poem in honor of Dr. Ansari and his team. We offer our thanks to Allah, the singular Al-Bari, on the safe return of the delegation of Ansari. You travelled several thousand miles to serve our brethren. This indeed is true Islamic spirit. This is manifest compassion. Forsaking your country, parting from family, crossing a vast distance courageously, by God's grace you did endure the travails admirably. Athwart your mission there was great furor, could be heard voices of anguish and pains of heart sore. The grieving eyes of relatives, their piercing, longing gaze, the outpourings of anguished hearts, and soaring flames of filial love to put you in a daze. None can obtain, even in their dreams, such good fortune, dear. Your night vigils for the sick and injured, which you did endure. Seen you have the Muslims rise and fall, seen you have the turning of tides tall. How can the dwellers of Hindustan fathom your heart's agony? Seen you have since increasing tyranny. You have heard the heart-wrenching lament of the orphans. Seen you have the unhappy faces of destitute widows. The burning alive of the dwellers after plundering their shelters. Seen you have the new norms of the Western powers. It's you who have sutured the wounds of the warriors. Seen you have the blood stains on the garments of the martyrs. Your eyes that observed sights full of admonition thus to us address. Seen we have various kinds of distress. Seen we have eyes embellished like scattered pearls. Seen we have the rose-red cheeks of the martyrs. It would be no astonishment should bounce back the gauntlet after sinking. Seen we have, after all, fortunes churning. If acceptable to Providence, the supplication of a person elderly, these then are hands raised in prayer, and this then is Shibli Nomani.